How to use titles in Minecraft with commands. So first, just open up your chat and commands right here. Then just simply type in title just like that. Then pick the person that you want to show it to. So in this case, I want to show it to all players just like so. Now just simply click on title or type in title and put the title right here. So let's say I want to type in hello. So it should be like that. Then just simply click enter. And now as you can see, it will just pop up here on your screen. So there's another command that I will show you guys. So I will put it on the description so you can also use it. So I'm just going to paste it right here. And once it's right here, as you can see, there will be false. So you will see words there that says false. So as you can see, if I want to make it underlined, just set false to true. Or if you want to make it italic, just set italic to true right there. But on default, this is what it should look like right there. As you can see, it says example, and that's how it should look like on default. You could customize it to your liking. And that's how I basically use titles in Minecraft.